can't get a much nicer night to have a look at the garden. And this is, we've been talking about what's your food story. This is the food story I wanted to share this time around because it's actually something I get quite a bit of entertainment from. I never used to like doing it, but I don't know, then all of a sudden you kind of have one successful crop of something and you think, oh, I could maybe do that again. Now, in many cases you are corrected and humbled is probably the right word. You're humbled very easily sometimes with these crops, but this is what we've got. So this is my second year growing cauliflower, and it's also the second year I don't seem to have any heads. I have never, ever, usually I would plant 3 or 4 tomato plants, and if I was lucky, I might keep one alive. This year, they all kept alive, including a couple of cherry tomato plants. Worms in my tomatoes. I did do peppers last year. Peppers were my success last year. I only have a couple this year because I got too carried away. So the jalapenos are there. We've got some chili peppers here. Let's have a look. And so that's our food story for this month, is working away at the garden and just kind of the entertainment of it. I mean, we're farmers, we grow lots of other kinds of food, but it's not tomatoes, it's not peppers, it's not cauliflower, clearly, because I would make a terrible cauliflower farmer apparently. But it's a fun activity for us to get to know how to do this, the challenges that come with growing different crops, how some years you might get really good ones and other years you might not. So that's our food story. What's your food story? Have you signed up? Have you made a video? Have you entered the contest? If you haven't, you should head to whatsyourfoodstory.ca because those prizes are pretty good. You'll want to do that soon.